Stop by and take a look at 2021 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, front-wheel independent suspension. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.